All right, so do you have a Moen Moentrol shower valve with a balancing spool in it? If it looked like that, then you do. So this one did not have cold water. It would only get hot. So either something's plugging the line or the balancing spool is stuck. And I've seen this happen a few times. The first plumber that was here told them they needed to rip the wall open to fix this. This one does have shut-offs. It looked like that first plumber also stripped out the cold shut-off here. Um, but here we are. We're going to pull the balancing spool off. Of course, we have the water off already. I tapped on that screwdriver a little bit while I was turning that. The screwdriver, I just picked it up the other day. It's like brand new from like 1925 or something. Doesn't fit in there that great, but sometimes tapping on it, it'll help you loosen that up. So I got that unthreaded all the way. It does not pull out by hand, so we're going to pull on it with some channel locks. Sorry, this camera I got is just complete trash. I need a little wider field of view, but I'm going to pull this out, and it comes out all together.
Does not work. Works? It's not working.
All right, so you can hear the difference there between the one that is stuck and the one that is not stuck. Could you work on it? Probably. All right, I checked inside of there, made sure it was nice and clean. Put this back in. I tighten it up decent. We'll get the water back on, check everything for leaks. But I have had these separate, and you have to dig the rest of it out, find a way. Good luck. I have confidence that you can get this done.